Good morning, dear children. Now today we'll learn how to insert column and column break in a word. Okay, this is a word file. I have written a paragraph. When we write any paragraph on a word document, it is by default displayed in a single column. If we want to give it a new look or make it in two or more columns, what we'll do? Let's see. So we'll go to page layout tab, and here we'll go to columns. Click on this drop down and you can select 2 or 3 columns. From here you can also select more columns. Okay, and you can choose any columns. If I choose 2 columns, then this complete paragraph is shifted to first column. And now if we want, there are 2 columns that has been made in this word document, and this entire text has been shifted to first column, and we can write anything in the second column. Now if we want to write in the second column, click the cursor here, and so you click the cursor here at the end of the text from where you want to put a column break. From here you want to move to the next column. So click the cursor here and then click on this break option. In the page layout tab, you will get this breaks option. Click on the drop down. You will get the option to do page break or column break. Click on this column. Now see, the cursor has moved to the next column, and you can start writing your text from in the second column. Whatever you want to write in the second column, you can type it here. Similarly, from this breaks option, we can also add page break. Click on this drop down and click on this page, and from here the page will be break and will go to the next page. So I hope you have understood how to insert a column and how to insert a column break and page break. Now we'll see the tab, working with tab. If we want to, what is tab? Tab is the movement of cursor to specific place. By like I've written date sheet here. Now if I put the cursor here and press tab, this cursor will move fixed to a fixed place, and that fixed place is 0.5 inch. Every time you press tab, this cursor will automatically move 0.5 inch. Now we can also change this tab spacing, tab setting, and for that you need to go to page layout tab and then click on this. This is paragraph group, and this is paragraph dialog box launcher. You click here. From here you click on tabs option, and see, default tab stop is 0.5 inch. Automatically tab moves to 0.5 inch every time you press tab key, and you can specify the tab stop position. Suppose if I write 3 inch, and then you can also select the alignment, whether you want it from left side or from center or from right side. Then you can click on set and OK. So now if we click on tab, it has moved 3 inch farther. Earlier it was moving 0.5 inch. Now it will move 3 inch. So we have changed the tab setting. Now I will just delete this. Okay, so we have again changed it. So now we'll go 3 inch लिखिए. So if you want to remove this 3 inch setting, you just click on clear all and click on OK. Now the tab has moved to its original 0.5 inch setting. So I hope you have understood how what is tab setting and how to change it. So just read this page number 39 and 40 in your book, and practice this column inserting columns and column break, inserting page break, and also how to change the tab settings.